Welcome to Storytime with Jordana. It's me, Jordana, from Compass Learning Advantage. And this month we are studying stories about being mindful. That is an internal mindful, but also a social mindful. What is happening within myself, but also what is happening with the world around me. So here I have this story called Say Something by Peter H. Reynolds. Get ready. Here we go. Say something. The world needs your voice. Mine? Yes, yours. Go ahead. It doesn't need to be perfect as long as it's from your heart. You don't have to be loud. Powerful world can be a whisper. You can say something in so many ways, with words, with action, with creativity. If you see someone lonely, say something by just being there for them. Do you see that? You just sat down, that's all. They don't need to talk. They'll just be together. Maybe we can sit near and far someone. If you see an empty canvas, say something with your brush. She'll make a picture. If you see an empty lot, say something by planting a seed and watching it bloom. That's pretty cool. He made that. That's pretty cool. If you see someone being hurt, say something by being brave. Hey, stop. If you see something beautiful, say something with a poem. If you have a brilliant idea, say something with confidence. Eureka! If you want to show the world who you are, say something with style. She's pretty cool with her dress, her outfit. If you are angry, say something to help people understand. You make me feel invisible. That really hurt. I'm really sorry. If you see an injustice, say something with peace. No more hurting people. Inspire others to do the same. Say something, you'll say something and no one will be listening, but keep saying what's in your heart and you will find someone who listens. Keep saying it, and you may be surprised to find the whole world is listening. Look at all those birds, wow. If you are grateful for being alive, quietly say something to the stars, to the universe. Some people find it easier to say something than others. I hope, I believe, I wish. Together we can. I'm ready to change the world. Imagine. But everyone has to say something. Oh, but everyone has something to say. Sorry. So when you're ready, say something. Your voice can inspire, heal, and transform. Your voice can change the world. Are you ready to say something? You don't have to stand at the top of a mountain, but maybe you could say something to yourself or say something nice to somebody else. Do some good and good comes back. Stay tuned till next time. Thanks for coming.